Hello, everyone. This will be a tutorial on how to create a class on Udemy. And Udemy can be a bit challenging, but it can be done. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that you open up an account with Udemy as an instructor. Okay. And I'll show you my profile here on Udemy. I've been on it for quite some time. Just trying to get to the profile part. Okay. So this is my public profile on Udemy. Currently, I have 4 classes on Udemy. And now we'll get to, then you click on instructor, okay, to start a class. And I actually have one in progress, and I'm just going to show you the process of it. It's how to stream and multi-stream online. And here you just click on new course to start, but when I click on edit, you'll see all the inside parts that you need to include. Okay, so plan your course. It'll start off with the top part, and on here, as it says, you just follow the directions. The following descriptions will be publicly visible on your course landing page and will have a direct impact on your course performance. So you just note what will the students learn in your course, which will be the course objectives. So I have mine here. And you just fill it in. If there's anything you don't need, you don't have to fill it in, or you can add more to the response. Also, what are the requirements or prerequisites, excuse me, for taking your course? So you add that information in as well. And who is this course for? You add that information in as well. Then you go to the course structure. And Udemy gives you some information here on how to do the course structure, and such as needing lectures, and they have their libraries of resources as well. And then you set up and test video. So you can create test video if you're going to create your own video or upload video, or but you can test video here too. You can also get free expert video help as well on Udemy. And then film and edit. You can, there's tips here on filming and editing the video that would be needed for your Udemy class. Now, the curriculum part, this is the part that's very important. They're letting me know I no longer have 10 minutes of video content available for free preview. Now, it has to have at least 5 sections to it, at least at minimum. Mine has 6. 6 is good to go with. And then you have to have the preview enabled. And then here I have a video, a very short video setting up an online studio. I had used text to audio, but you shouldn't use text to audio. And you can also make the video downloadable if you choose to. And then here I have the downloadable materials, okay, the potentially downloadable materials, which is this video here, plus also an example of streaming, online broadcasting, and multi-streaming to different channels, social media channels. So here, this is section 2, same idea. I also have an assignment that I've set up as well. So when you go to the assignment, you have your title and the description, and then the duration of how long the assignment will be. And then you have your instructions. So you'll have your video there. And you can also add more, select more files if you want. You need to have a question. So for the class, and then also the solutions as well, what the answer would be. Okay, and then you click on back to curriculum. Okay, now section 3 is the same idea. You also need to have a lecture. It definitely needs to have a lecture. So here, if we look at the lecture, it's as simple as just adding what the lecture will be. And for curriculum items, you can have a choice of a lecture, a quiz, coding exercise, practice test, or assignment. Okay. All right. So section 3 is the same idea as section 1 and 2. Section 4, same thing. Section 5. And then for section 6, a good idea is to have a final quiz. So then the final quiz I have for this one, just basic 2 questions, nothing too stressful. What is an RTMP URL, a multiple choice, and what is a stream key multiple choice? And for those of you who stream, you would already know the answers to that. Okay. Now, once you're done the curriculum, you have the option of including captions. I don't include captions. I have them disabled because my videos already have captions. And for accessibility, I do have that clicked. So there's a number of options here to make your videos more accessible to everyone. For your course landing page, you would have the title of your class, the course subtitle. It needs to have a course subtitle. And then the course description, it needs to be a minimum of 200 words. And you would note the level. Is it beginner level? Is it advanced? Or all levels? Okay, actually, I'm going to change that to all levels. And then your category and then your subcategory, you need to have a subcategory. And your course image shouldn't have any text on it. They'll come back and want you to change that. And then a promotional video for your class. And then you would need to have your instructor bio complete in order to submit the class. So they also have pricing. Okay. Oh, I didn't save that. So I'm just going to save that. Okay. They also have pricing. So I have mine at tier 9. Okay. But you can offer it for free all the way up to tier 29 for $200. But the reason why I stick with tier 9 is because people like Dan Rather, for those of you that watch television, price it at the tier 29 level, and I'm not Dan Rather. So promotions, okay? So you can also add promotions. You can refer students and just copy this link and let them know. You can create 3 coupons a month to reduce the price if you want to make sure you get students. And then once you get students in your class, you want to make sure that you have your course messages, such as the welcome message, as well as the congratulations message for everyone that completes the class. And this course feedback will be there for as long as your class is in review. So they're letting me know that some required fixes, such as audio quality with the text to audio and quality image to text I had on my course landing page, have been addressed. And they did let me know nicely done, which is nice. Udemy is very nice. And let me know the course is finished. And they usually get back to you in 2 business days, as you see there, with the final outcome of how things went with your course that you created that you're trying to make money from. So if you have any questions, you can leave it on the YouTube comments, and I will respond in good time. And thanks so much for watching.